Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best 110 volts MIG welders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Forney Easyweld 140 megapixels. The Forney Easyweld 140 megapixels is one of the most versatile models for home use on the market. It has a 3-in-1 design that allows you to use it as a MIG welder, a DC TIG welder, and a stick welder with only a few simple adjustments. The TIG accessories, including the torch, regulator, hose, electrodes, and gas all need to be purchased separately, but you have everything you need for the other functions. For the MIG welder, this unit is fully set up for use with flux cord wire, but you can swap this out and use mild steel with gas instead. You can also control the weld using the voltage and wire feed speed controls, making this unit fully customizable to suit almost any light-duty project. If you want to do some stick welding instead, just add the stick electrodes. The ground clamp and stinger are included for added convenience, allowing you to weld with almost any electrode up to 1/8 inch. As well as being easy to use, this model is extremely rugged, with a durable metal case that can withstand even the most rigorous use. It has enough room to fit both 2 and 10-pound wire rolls, plus it includes a full metal wire drive assembly. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hobart Handler 140. Though you may not want to spend a lot of time carrying it around, the Hobart Handler 141 of the easiest MIG welder models to use. It is also built well, using quality materials that won't fall apart after only a few uses. This unit includes some great features, such as the quick select drive roll that reduces your setup time. It has 3 grooves, one for flux cord wire of 0.030, 0.035 inches. The other 2 are designed for solid wire of either 0.24 inches or 0.030, 0.035 inches. A sample spool of 0.030-inch self-shielding flux cord wire is included to get you started. The wire drive system is made of industrial cast aluminum for durability and increased performance. The polarity changeover also makes it easier to quickly change the polarity when you swap out the wires. The Handler 140 offers a smooth, stable arc on a variety of material thicknesses. The 5-position voltage control allows you to fine-tune the arc as needed using a simple knob on the front of the panel. This panel is sloped as well, making it easy to see and make your adjustments accordingly during the welding process. There are also a few safety features included with this model. The self-resetting thermal overload protection protects the unit's power transformer from overloading for increased reliability. There is also a self-resetting motor protection that protects the wire feed system for overloading, so you never have to change or reset any circuit breakers. At number 3, we have the Sungold Power MIG-140. Your determination to get a high-quality MIG welder may lead to you choosing the Sungold Power MIG-140. We also like it for its features and benefits. One such benefit for buyers is added control. You can choose the wire feed speed that you want. If you add the control you have over the welding current, you can see that making mistakes with this machine is almost an impossibility. Additionally, beating this MIG welding machine's duty cycle is a tall order for other such devices in the market. It also seems that this is a dual voltage selection, meaning you have more chances of getting a socket to work with wherever you take this machine. You can even take pride in this MIG welder's overheat protection, as it will translate into a longer life for your investment. Note that this welding machine can be used for flux cord welding as well. Of course, this extra feature means the tool is more than just a simple MIG welder. Lastly, the interface on this welding machine should be a cinch to hack. The minimal controls shouldn't even take you too long to figure out how they work. At number 2, we have the VivoHome MIG-130. As well as being the best low-cost 110 volts MIG welder on our list, the VivoHome MIG-130 is also one of the most portable. It is lightweight, compact, and even has a handy storage area in the top of the unit, right underneath the comfortable carry handle. This compact unit is designed for use with mild steel and stainless steel, allowing you to achieve a professional finish for your auto bodywork, art projects, supports, and a variety of other thin steel welding projects. The MIG-130 uses flux cord wire, which will self-release the metal inert gas as you weld, so there is no need for an extra tank attached to your unit. This also prevents oxidation on the welded area. Another handy feature is the adjustable welding speed. This gives you 4 levels of flow settings. All you do is set the buttons to min or max and 1 or 2, then choose one of the 10 welding speeds on the variable feed control knob. This makes it easy to adjust the welder to suit your chosen project, regardless if you're working on thin steel or welding some thicker pieces together. The VivoHome MIG-130 is equipped with 2 air vents to keep the unit from overheating. It also comes with a welding helmet to protect your face and eyes while you work, and a wire brush to keep your work surface clean and free of debris. And finally at number 1, we have the MillerMatic 141. Though the price tag is a bit high and it is a bit heavy when compared to some other MIG welder models, the MillerMatic 141 still has some great features that make it a great model for home use. It is a great 110 volts MIG welder for argon or CO2, since it includes a mix flow gauge regulator and a gas hose for this use. This model features a quick select drive roll that offers quick setup with your chosen wire, due to the 3 grooves that fit either solid wire or flux cord wire that doesn't need the additional gas. This drive system is made of aluminum for increased durability as well. The auto set feature allows you to set the wire diameter and the material thickness. Then the unit automatically adjusts the welder according to these settings to make it even easier to get started. There is also a manual mode that lets you adjust the settings as needed for welding stainless steel, aluminum, or mild steel, so you always get the weld you want. Another great feature is the smooth start technology that gives you a spatter-free start every time. The auto spool gun detect knows when the MIG or spool guns are connected, so there is no need for a switch. Safety features like thermal overload protection and tip saver short circuit protection protect the internal components of this unit and extend its life at the same time. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.